Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make glass in Minecraft. Okay, first things first, you'll need to do is acquire sand. Sand can be found quite commonly, especially near bodies of water or in desert biomes. You can use a shovel to collect it quickly, but you can also mine it with your hands, although that takes more time. Now, there's no strict minimum requirement. You can start with just one piece of sand. Next, you'll require a furnace to smelt the sand into glass. Crafting a furnace is quite basic in Minecraft. You'll just need 8 cobblestone to create one. Once you have the furnace, you'll also need some fuel to burn. In this case, I'm using a coal as the fuel source. Now, here's the simple process to create a glass. Place the sand you have collected in the furnace and add the fuel source, coal in my case. The furnace will then start smelting the sand. Just wait for the process to complete and you'll have the glass as the output. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now make glass in Minecraft. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.